Happy Friday! Welcome to the Vail Daily Show on the Hill. I'm your host, Sean Naylor. We're ripping it down here in Redtail to catch spectator access at the Birds of Prey World Cup. It has been a snowy week out here in the Vail Valley. We have over 9 inches reported of snowfall in the last 24 hours and over a foot in the last 48. Yeah, having too much snow is never a problem, but when it comes to when the World Cup is in town, it can cause some issues. Yesterday, the men's downhill races were canceled because this was way too stormy out here, and now we're a little bit. One of the things that's great about the World Cup out here is that it's one of the few that spectators can ride into to go check out. Now, that isn't always the case at Beaver Creek. There's actually, for the first time in a few years, that we've been able to do this. So this is quite the privilege. So that front face black is now open, and I tell you what, we'll try and get some sights over there, but from the lift, it looked like a total yard sale. There were a lot of people stuck in the snow, not knowing what to do. So let me take this opportunity to remind you, it is powder season, people. Keep your tips up, set your bindings down, and be ready for anything. Check this out. Not too shabby for the 3rd day of December. And now we're coming up to the course. So we'll be out here all weekend. Check out the coverage on vaildaily.com as well as in your local Blue Box. This is Sean Naylor. Thank you for watching On the Hill.